Let's take a look at this. And okay, project 5.03. I'll open with Notepad, and I'll also open it with Google Chrome. Excuse me. Okay. I choose More Tools, Developer Tools. Uncaught reference error. Okay, it's referring to BSA. You're passing BSA in as a parameter, but you don't calculate BSA. Body surface. Okay, let me look at it then. Function BSA. And you call BSA down here. But then you're calling body surface area, which might be in your convert. Let me go look. Inches to centimeters. Okay, no, this is just the oh, here it is. Body surface area. Yeah, sure enough. You're passing in looks like square feet, but actually, what you're returning is square feet. What you should be passing in is inches and pounds. And then I don't want to declare inches here because I'm passing it in like that. Okay, and then over here I want to pass in inches and pounds. Okay, now what you're doing is you're getting these from the web page and you're converting them to numbers. Then you're going to pass these as in as parameters. Parameters, you can think of it like if I told you to go to the store. Well, you'd say, well, buy what? Well, if I said milk, milk would be the parameter. I'd say go to the store and buy milk. So milk is what I'm passing in as a parameter, and that's what you'll go and get, and then you return. Well, maybe not, but I'll pass it in as a parameter. Then you'll use it. This brings it in, so you can use those values, and then you return something. This is like what you'd return from the store with, and you may not return with milk. You may return with orange juice and say, "Well, I didn't have any milk. Here's orange juice." But you'd want to return this BSA SQFT BSA because that's what you calculated in your program. Okay, so let me save that and come over here, and then you can return that and set it equal to here. Now at this point you want to do something with it. Okay, you have it down here. You call them BSA, but you should return a value here. Like return val is equal to BSA. So then down here, this would be return val. Okay, so I refresh this, put 1, put 2 in there. It's undefined. Yeah, let's see what's going on then. Okay, so I'm going to return it from there. I call BSA. It's going to retrieve inches and pounds. Let's first verify those. Alert inches, alert pounds. And let's do an alert here. Oh, and there's no return. Ah, that would do it. Return BSA SQFT. There we go. Refresh that 1, 2. Okay, and then returns it. Now let me talk a bit more about this. This on click. This will call this function, and it should return some kind of value that I can then assign to this variable. which then I'll use that variable to print out to the form. So when I call BSA, it'll come up here. It'll run this function, and this gets inches and pounds from your web page. It then calls another function, passing those in as parameters, and it will return a value here, which then I then immediately do another return, which returns it down to right here. Okay, so now body surface area. Again, you just passing in these parameters, is calculating something and returning something. And you'd have to verify the formula and so forth, but that's where you were going wrong on that one.